Hi guys, I want to show you how to remove the background on your video, in your video, on your video. I want to show you how to remove the background and change it to a fake background. It's always better if you have a plain wall behind you like I do here. And I'm going to upload this video on Canva and remove the background and add a fake background from Pexels. And I'll show you and we'll walk through it. I'll talk you through it as I go along. But it's a really great feature. You know, if you guys want to do a demonstration about something and you're not in a certain location and you want to put an example behind you, or just for aesthetics, if you want your background to look different from where you actually are, you can use this in Canva. It's wonderful, it's easy, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. So stick around. Thank you guys so much for watching. And thank you to my subscribers, all 16 of you. I'm so grateful. I really am. I can't wait to see where this goes. All right, hang on a second. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is to log into your Canva account. So you go to canva.com and either create an account or log in. Okay, and it's pretty easy to create an account. I'm going to use the YouTube dimensions for this demonstration. If you don't see the YouTube dimensions here, you can also type it in the Canva search bar. Okay, so click on YouTube video. Just wait for that to come up. Okay, and on the left-hand side here, where you see design, elements, text, brand, uploads, you want to click on uploads. So you click on uploads. You're going to click on upload files to find and upload the video that you want the background removed from. My video is in my pictures file. So I will find my video, which is right here. And as you can see, it will get uploaded into the video section. Okay, so you have images, videos, audio, and my video will get uploaded onto the videos tab. And we just have to wait again for it to upload. It's here already. I've done it before, but just so you see and to walk you through the steps. And we just have to wait for it to upload totally. And this is a great way for you to do tutorials, for you to do demonstrations. It really is a great tool to use, you guys, or even if you just want a background that's different, you know, it really is awesome and it is so easy. Just keep in mind for this, you need to have the Canva Pro account. And right now, Canva is offering 30 days free. So maybe you want to take advantage of that. Okay, so it's fully uploaded. You click on the video. Okay, and then you extend it to cover the white space behind it. And I don't know if you can see the red lines. Just to make sure it's perfectly centered. Just make sure there you go. There's a cross, the red line crosses in the video or on the video, and then you can see that it's perfectly centered. Okay, so now to remove the background, all you have to do is click on the video, and up here you see BG remover. That's BG stands for background, so background remover. You click on background remover, and you just have to wait. As you can see, it's 1% done, so you just have to wait until it completes it to 100%, which then means that it's totally removed the background. It takes a little bit, you guys. And then you just see just really how easy it is. And I'm not an affiliate for Canva. I am not an affiliate for Canva. It's just that this is so easy that I really wanted to share it with you guys. You can really do so much with Canva or on Canva. Anywhere you see this crown, that's telling you that you have to have a pro account, which means a paid account. Pro means paid. Okay. You can't remove the background with a free account. You can do a whole bunch of other things, but not the background removal with a free account. Okay, it's almost there. As you can see, it's at 59%. And the reason that I'm able to do this is because I'm using the free 30-day pro account. I'm using a free 30-day pro account. Usually I just use the free account because it just offers so many features. I haven't found it necessary really to pay for an account, but you may find it, useful for your YouTube channel. There you go, 100%. So this is telling you now that the background has totally been removed, okay? So now to add a background, what you're going to do is go to pexels.com. And Pexels is a free website and app where you can get free photos to use in your designs, projects, and creations, right? So we go to Pexels, PEXELS.com, and you can create an account, which is free as well, okay? And say you want, let's see, uh, home office. Let's try that. Let's type in home office. And there are a bunch of them, and you can see they have photos, they have videos, okay? It's telling you how many users they have. So I'm going to use photos, okay? Now there are a bunch of home offices. So let's just find one that we like, that we find aesthetically pleasing. And let's just do this one. How about this one? So you click download, okay? And you wait for it to download on your computer. And you go back to Canva. And you're going to click upload files, and this is to find the picture that the photo you downloaded from Pexels. So you click on that to upload it on Canva, and it's going to be uploaded on the images. You're going to click on the photo. You're going to click on the photo again, and here you'll see position on the top right bar. You're going to click on position, and over here on the left, you're going to click on backwards to send that picture, that photo backwards. And you're going to move it around to fill the white space behind you. Okay. Just fill in the white space. You can position it however you like, right? There you go. And that's it. That's how you put you change your background. You remove your original background and put a fake background in, okay? So now what you want to do to upload this on YouTube, you're going to click share. You're going to click download. You get the suggested MP4 video file, which is fine. That's always been perfect for me. You click download, and you just wait for it to download on your computer, and then you can upload that video on YouTube. I hope this was really helpful, you guys. It takes a minute. Okay, there you go. So now it's downloading on my laptop. and then you can upload that video on YouTube. So that's it, guys. That's how you use Canva and any website where you can get free videos and photos to use to remove the background on your video and upload or change your background to a fake background or a more aesthetically pleasing background or useful background to you. It is that easy. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. Thank you guys.